Hi guys, today I'm going to show you how to do this easy updo on thin or fine hair. To start, I'm going to take some texture powder. I'll pop the one I'm using in the description below, and I'm going to apply this all over the crown area. Next, taking very thin sections and holding them straight up, I'm going to use a comb and just do a little bit of teasing at the crown. Just a tiny bit, about an inch or two from the head. So carry on taking thin sections all the way down to the back of the crown. And once you've got everything back combed, flip those sections over and use the very edge of the teeth of the comb just to smooth out the top layers so you can't see it. Next, gather that back combed area to the back of the head and secure it with a clear elastic band. Now make a little hole with your fingers behind that elastic band and pop a couple of fingers through. Pass the little ponytail to your fingers and pull it back through that hole so you create a twist. Now I'm going to add some wax spray just to help with flyaways. I'll pop the one I'm using in the description below again, and then use your fingers to gently pinch and pull at the crown for some more volume and texture, and also at the sides of those twists. Now moving on to the side sections, I've left a little bit of hair out to frame the face. Next I'm going to take all the hair from the side of the head, twist it towards the head and pin it to the left hand side of that ponytail. Now I'm going to take some dry texture spray and then just use it across that twist. Pinch and pull to loosen things up, and also slip another bobby pin through the centre of that twist to keep everything secure. And we're going to do the same on the opposite side. So leave a bit out to frame the face. Take a chunk of hair from the left hand side and twist it towards the head and bring it over to the right hand side of the ponytail and pin in place. Apply your texture spray and pinch and pull that twist apart. Next, I'm going to take that little ponytail and apply some more texture powder. Then I'm going to do a little bit of teasing just about 3 or 4 inches down from the top of that ponytail, and then smooth everything out on the outside so it just disguises it a bit. Then I'm going to pop an elastic band a couple of inches from the end, and on the last turn I'm only going to pull the ends part way through to create a loop. Now taking hold of that loop, I'm just going to basically roll it up that section to create a little bit of padding that we can pin our other sections into, and then just use a few bobby pins to secure this on either side to the head. Now with the remaining hair, I'm going to split this into 3 equal sections. So we've got a left, a right and a middle. And taking that middle section, I'm just going to divide it in half and loosely wrap the sections around one another to create a twist, and then secure with an elastic band. Apply some more texture powder all over that twist and really pinch and pull the twist apart for more volume. Then we're going to take that twist straight up to the top of the little bun and secure it. Then bring the ends back down so it lays next to it, and again secure it with a couple of bobby pins. Tuck the ends underneath and pin those in place. And we're going to do the same on that left hand section, so divide it in half, wrap the sections around one another to create a twist and secure with an elastic band. Apply some more texture powder and pinch and pull that twist apart. So for this one, I'm going to take it directly up the side of the bun and then just pin it to the top. And then I'm going to bring those tail ends back down so it lays in between the other sections, securing with bobby pins as I go. And then I'm just going to roll the ends underneath the bun and pin in place. And then we're just going to repeat that one more time on the right hand section. So create your twist, apply your texture powder and then really pinch and pull it apart. Then pull the twist up the right hand side of the bun, securing with bobby pins, and then bring the ends back down and pin them underneath. I've just curled the front of the hair away from the face. Do this on both sides. And it really is that easy. Here's the finished look. If you liked it, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more tutorials.